Hey everybody! So we are doing some small canning projects today. I've already got a couple of jars of bacon bits in the canner. I'm pulling stuff from the freezer so I can get it out of there, put it in jars. So I've started with bacon bits. I'm going to do some chicken livers. I already have a video on that. And we're going to do some sausage. So I have two kinds of sausage. I've got the Jimmy Dean regular and the JC Potter hot. So I'm going to cook them separately and put them in separate jars so I don't mix the flavor. And we are just going to brown this off. You might like this better if you've done the sausage patties. A lot of people don't like that because, ground meats do get a lot softer. So we're going to brown this off and do it like hamburger without the water. And you may like that better. It's referred to, people call it dry canned. Let me wash my hands. We are going to, I've got a fly to kill. It's still a little frozen in the middle. I'm going to turn this down. And we're just going to brown this off and drain the fat. And then put it in the jars. I'm just trying to get some freezer space so I can put more important things in there and have as much meat on the shelf as well as I possibly can. So I'm just going to brown this off, and I will do the same thing with the hot sausage, and when it's browned up we'll be back. Okay, our regular sausage is done, so we are going to pack our first jar. Turn it around. Pack it down. If you don't pack it down, and that's with hamburger as well, when you can it, the pressure will suck it down, and when you take it out, your jar will look like that. So make sure you're packing your meat jars. Times are based on a packed jar of meat. They're based on your density, not the ingredient. So you want to make sure you have full jars when you pull them out of the canner. So packing that down is important. And a pint jar should hold a pound of meat. They say a pint is a pound the world around. Pack it to 1 inch of headspace. Could have swore I grabbed a spoon. I never grab my pickle packer, which is perfect to do this. I just wrap some saran wrap on it. Like I said, if you don't like the patties, you may like this better. If you like the ground beef canned this way, then you should like the sausage. So, pack that in. Going to get my next package of sausage in there. And get my gizzards going. And this is the spicy one. I'll have to remember that when I put it in the jar. Ooh, I can smell the spicy. So we're just going to do the same thing, and I'm going to wipe the rim with vinegar, put the lid on, and get it in the jar, or in the pot. Alrighty, our second batch of sausage is done. Turn that off. We're just going to do the same thing we did with the last one. I have my gizzards over there. And if you boil gizzards first before you fry them, they'll be nice and tender. They won't be so chewy, so if that's what turns you off from gizzards, try that. Boil them for about 30 minutes and it gets all the stuff out of them. You will have a nice tender fried gizzard. Just do it like you do your chicken. I'm always wanting some next time I make my husband fried chicken. I think I'll make me gizzards. Just pack that in there. I think there was a little bit more in that package of sausage. Our vinegar, paper towel, clean the rims, as soon as these gizzards are ready to go in the canner, it will be full. Bacon, smoked pork, sausage, gizzards. This is a good way to clean out your freezer and get stuff on the shelf and get new things in the freezer. If you find something on sale, hard to do these days, but if you do, one of these good lids. Hot. And that is ready for the canner, and when we shut it up, I will be back. Okay, our canner is now full. We have bacon, sausage, gizzards, and smoked pork. And here's the V. We got the V on this handle. There's a V right there. Barely see it. I could barely see it. Match the V's. Lock your canner. Turn on the heat. And this will pop up. This will vent steam for 10 minutes. Then you put your weight on. Your weight, whatever it is for your area. You can find that on Google. And when it comes to a soft rock, set your timer for 75 minutes. After 75 minutes, turn off the heat, let the pressure come down naturally. And when this has come down and there's no action happening, you can open the canner and take out your jars and let them cool for 24 hours. So I will see you when these are coming out of the canner. Okay, you guys, they're all done. Cooled down. Always, always, always take it off away from your face. And here is sausage. So there's the sausage. Right there. Woo! That was scary. And these are the gizzards. And the smoked pork. So there you have it. Easy peasy. Ground canned breakfast sausage. So if you need to make space in your freezer, can it up. Make space for other things, and yeah, that's all it was a freezer kind of cleaning out thing. I'll be doing more. Got some berries I need to get out since the berries are coming in, so probably make some honeysuckle jelly because we have flowers this year after the last couple of years of crazy snow. So anyways, if you haven't, please like, comment, and subscribe. And you all stay safe, you stay healthy, and clean out that freezer and stock those shelves. And I will see you all in the next video.